Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Ravin Mishra and in this video we are going to write a bash script which will demonstrate case statement. The bash case statement is generally used to simplify complex condition when you have multiple different choices. Using the case statement instead of nested if statement will help you make your bash script more readable and easier to maintain. So I'll give you the example or scenario wherein you can use this case statement. Uh, uh, say suppose like you're trying to deploy some cloud images, right? And you are going to write a bash script for that purpose. Okay, and you have your repo or registry somewhere in US and somewhere in India. All right. So you might need some kind of user choice, right? You want to take some input from user or and then based on that you will be deciding your registry, right, which one to pick. So for that we can use case statement. So let's go to the terminal and see like how we can use that. So I'll be creating one case statement script file, and inside which I'll start with a shebang line, shebang line, bin and bash, and then you can give some echo statement. This is script to demonstrate case statement. Okay, statement. Okay, and then you can give some choice to the user, like this is for rep India repo tree. Okay, and you can give this hint to the user saying this is the US repo. Okay, repo repository, and a couple of others could be your, say, 3 for like German or Japanese. Okay, so based on this, like user may give some input, and later on you can decide like what should be assigned to the registry variable. Okay, so this may have some URL. Okay, which later you can give. Okay, later you can give, or for simplification I'm just using these strings. Okay, and then what I'll do, I will just read. This is read. Okay, read and repo I will be reading, and so this I am going to read from the user choice. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll just make a case statement here over here, and I will be just, and this will be called this will be my expression. Okay, so now I'm reading, and based on that I will be deciding. So this is, first is like you have selected, Indian Indian repository. Okay, Z-Train to download your images. Okay, so this will be kind of Indian some India repository, and later on you can just give, assign the variable to like this, or you can say India dot docker or something, right? So you can give like this, something like this. Okay, and once you are done you can just close this statement. I mean this is the expression and this is pattern. Okay, now second pattern is, or statement is, similarly you can write, you have chosen US repo, and we will close Also, you can give a registry. Okay, registry you can assign it to US. I'm not assigning, and then you can give one more echo statement saying, and mind you, this is not only echo statement. You can write your expression or your calculation, your logic, business logic over here also. Okay, in this statement, in this pattern basically. And last, which is the default one. So here you can mention like when user choose this fourth option or any option other than 1, 2, 3, then you can say this is invalid repo. Okay, repos repository. Okay, try again. So this is how you can do this, and I'll close the statement and uh, close the case statement also. I will save it, and simply I will give execute permission to this file, and I will run this. Okay, so it is asking user to provide the repository. So if I select one, okay, let's say what it says. So it says you have selected Indian repository, and this is saying india.docker.com command not found. All right, so it is treating that as a command. So let me just see what has happened, or we can remove it for now. So this should be the variable, and why it is not taking. Okay, okay, I will just give like this, and or I can declare this variable somewhere, right, first, or for simplification, let me run it again. If let's choose, see, yeah, so I'll just remove it, and we can deal with the variable, and later on when we discuss about the variable in shell script or bash script. Okay, for now you can just give dd, and it will remove. Just save the file again, and you are good. I'll run it, and if I give anything like 4, it will say invalid repository. If I give 3, so it will say have select. Oh, it should not say. I have to change it to German. Okay, so this is how you can use your case statement in one of your script file, which probably you might be using to deploy the images or Docker images from a different registry, right? And based on the selection, you may go ahead and choose the repo which is nearby your, or if you are in India, you can probably go ahead with that in order to avoid a latency to download the images, right? If you are in US, you can go ahead and choose US repository. Similarly for other countries. So I hope you have liked the explanation and learned from this video, and please do like and subscribe to my channel if you have not, and share it with your friends, and also share the feedback in comment section, and I will see you in next video. Till then, keep learning, and thanks for watching.